Hello everyone, myself Namrata from first year BMS. My topic name is Predominance of Disease. For this, I visited the peoples having age between 50 to 60 years old. I collect the data of their body measurements like their chest circumference, umbilical circumference, waist circumference, etc. Measurement of mid-upper arm circumference provides simple and reliable tool for screening nutritional status. I included in that their food habits and sleeping duration. I found there so many abnormality in their measurements because of unhealthy lifestyle. With the help of this all data, I analyzed some important factors about their health condition and disease occurring in this age. But first of all, we have to know what is healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle in which helps to maintain and improve people's health and well-being. There are many such factors that affect on health. Being healthy means following healthy diet, regular workout and the other healthcare activities. Now we discuss about the body measurements and how these measurements are related with disease. Waist circumference and disease risk. The waist circumference thresholds that indicates an increased risk of disease. In adult females, risk is increased if waist measurement is 80 cm or more, and this risk is greatly increased if waist measurement is 88 cm or more. In adult males, risk is increased if waist measurement is 94 cm or more, and this risk of disease is greatly increased if waist measurements is 1 or 2 cm or more. Healthy waist. Measuring the waist circumference can help to assess obesity related with health risk. Even at healthy weight, excess fat carried around waist. It increases the risk of high BP, high cholesterol, heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The best way to find out if waistline is measuring risk of heart disease is to measure it. From my data, I concluded that if the waist circumference is more than the umbilical circumference, it may increase the high risk of disease. For being healthy at age 50, have to do this. Eat healthy. Get at least 30 minutes physical activity. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Reach and maintain healthy weight. Avoid smoking, drinking, etc.